Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Battlefield 2042 so you can get smoother gameplay and better performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Update drivers and game. First, make sure Battlefield 2042 and your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause the CPU to work harder than normal. Step 2. Lower in-game settings. Next, open the game settings and lower CPU-heavy options like shadows, effects, and view distance. Set graphics to medium or low to reduce CPU load. Step 3. Disable background apps. Before launching the game, close unnecessary background programs like browsers, launchers, and overlays. This frees up CPU resources for the game. Step 4. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Go to Windows Graphics Settings and enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. This helps shift workload from the CPU to the GPU. Step 5. Set high performance mode in Windows Power Plan to prevent CPU throttling during gameplay. After applying these fixes, restart your PC and launch Battlefield 2042 again. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.